Ladies and gents, Zed Monopolies here. One more video before I go on my summer holiday in Italy and the surrounding areas. Now, is the stock market and the crypto market, bull market, over? We haven't even started the bull market. I've been saying this since 2023. We expected this to happen, and it has finally happened. If you follow me on Patreon, the last couple of weeks, I've been warning about the upcoming pullback every month since March, and finally May is here and we've had it. And for a reason, GDP shrinking. And that's the fear that we have in the market now. So I'm here to tell you about the next opportunity. So pay very close attention. Before we begin, guys, make sure to smash that like button. Look, here's the thing, guys. Bitcoin has fell off the cliff and now it's sitting around 57,000 per coin. Now it could go to the 52K, and the surrounding related stocks, you know, Bitcoin miners and whatnot, well, they're gonna of course follow it. So the thing is, guys, is the market is going to pull back to this area. Now I'm gonna go to the computer and screen record something for you and just place it right here to show you what I think the market will do. And that's the Nasdaq, by the way, the Nasdaq Composite. So I think it's gonna go to this area before reversing. Okay, and when we see that, well, you better hope to start scaling in before it touches this area, because you might be wrong, right? And the market reverses earlier. But I don't think you're going to miss out on anything. So you have to start this summer accumulating. If you want to make some real money for yourself, this is your time to start accumulating. Because this is your last chance before the bull market happens, because we're entering an election period in November. Now, the election is huge. Everybody just wants to pile on because they believe in some president. All these presidents are shit talkers anyways. They're bullshitters, just so you know. So it doesn't matter, right? The people in the background are the ones who are doing the work. It's not the president. So, but this hype, you know, that they just on the mic, people love that. So, you know, we just follow through. So the thing is, guys, about this election in November, with the way the market is going, the market needs hope of somebody new, some new policy or whatnot. So that's a big deal. And I think that could trigger a bull market into 2025. And that's when I think the bull market will happen. And of course, if we start timing this with interest rate cuts and even GDP starts to accelerate again, because GDP can shrink for 2-3 quarters and then get back on the horse and start going up again. We've seen this in 2017 as well. So it's nothing to be scared of. And you'll hear a lot of recession talks and whatnot. So look, I don't see a recession where I'm from, where I live right now. I don't see a recession because I get to see better from the outside. And that helps me in being a better trader as well. So what I'm telling you today, guys, the next couple of weeks, 4 to 8 weeks, you better hope you have enough capital to start scaling in. Now, I made you guys get out from a trade that I said could be a 500% return trade, a 10x trade in the last couple of videos. But we got out with 30% earlier because I was expecting this pullback. And it was a Bitcoin play, and I seen Bitcoin was hanging off a thread. So now the next rally is going to be the final rally, guys. The final rally, that's the one that's going to take you to the bull market. And you better hope you're on this. Whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks. There's nothing much I can tell you here of what to focus on, because you already know. Some of you just got inspired by my videos, and now you're starting to get into the markets. But it doesn't really matter what you buy. Buy the things that were working in the previous cycle, which is the one we just exited. But the next rally that's coming, that's the monster rally. That's the one we want. So this is your last chance at accumulation, just so you know, the next couple of weeks. This summer, after this summer, I don't think we're going to see any pullbacks, because we're going to have a bigger stretch of rallies. Because you have to see the market as basically a game of chess. You make your move, the other guy makes his move, black and white. Now, the move we're making is a downtrend. The next move has to be an uptrend. But we have to, of course, time it properly, which is scaling in. Why scaling in mentality needs to be in place today. You need to start scaling in. Not piling on thinking you're going to miss out. No, you just scale in slowly and things will take care of itself. And that's what I'm doing here. That's what I'm making these guys that follow me on Patreon do as well. By the way, on Patreon, it's not just you taking a trade, it's you gaining the confidence that I have. So that's why I tell you guys to follow it. Even the free version, just the free version alone will help you guys a lot, because I would have saved you a lot of money before you got caught out in that dip that just happened. And I would have made you guys money as well just by following. Because sometimes the YouTube algorithm doesn't show you my videos. So I share it there usually so you can see the video. So what's next? Where's the money going to be made? It's exactly where it was in the previous cycle, except this time you're getting things at a better price. Those who hesitate will one day wake up in the next couple of months and say, I should have bought. Well, it's always the case when you see things going in your favor. You say, I should have bought, or I should have bought more. Actually, people started saying that in the Mara trade previously, when it was downtrending and I was buying, and then it reversed. But look, this is your opportunity to make something work for yourself, or make money, right? This is the last trade. This is the last round of drops. And I've warned against this too many times now. Up to you, take it or leave it. I'm the warner, I have warned you, and that's me done. I am going on my holiday. I'll still be active on Patreon and Instagram. But after I'm back, we'll continue with those videos that I usually make here. But I think I might make a video while I'm in Italy. And I'll post it here for you guys. Show you a little bit of Italy. Okay guys, that's me done. Peace and love. Appreciate you for watching. And follow me on Instagram so you can keep an eye on what I do day to day. Because I know usually here we just talk. There isn't much going on. But if you want to see a day into my life, that's where I post. It's Instagram. Peace.